If you use third-party integrations inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, it can be pretty easy to lose track or sight of where you're actually adding or using that integration within your workflows. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to get a better idea as far as where those are being used or where your integrations are actually placed in workflows. You can see which workflows they're in, all that good stuff inside of the platform. So first off, all we have to do is head over to settings in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. From there, head to integration. Same place where you added the integration originally. And at this point, we're going to scroll down. Let's see, let's use HubSpot as an example, because I have this one actually added to a workflow. But if I click on the account or integration name here, it will take me to a page that lists all of the workflows that at least at one point had the integration in it. If it doesn't have it anymore, it'll show NA and it'll say that this is not attached anymore. Otherwise, it'll give you a status saying either working or not working. All right, at this point in time, it is connected to this workflow called workflow example, and it is working. It's active and live, and there's no issue there. If there are any issues with the integration, this is also a good place to troubleshoot where the issue is happening. Again, if you have this added to multiple different workflows, it can be tough to see where the problem actually lies and what actual workflow is the root cause or where it's happening. So this again will list out the actual workflow. It'll say whether it's working, and it'll also allow you to disconnect it or remove it right from this screen right here. If you want to see the actual workflow, just click on it directly and it's going to take you to the actual page where you can manage that. There you go. So there we go, right to the page where we have the actual workflow enabled, or the actual third-party integration added to the workflow rather. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions on this process at all, or would like some clarification around anything I just mentioned, make sure to let me know down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Oh, also subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. I post one every single day, and you can expect consistent updates from me. So hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.